I'm Lisa Croston, broker owner of Century 21 ProLink. Let's find out what's new in real estate this week.
Thinking about buying a home in an HOA? Before you say yes, there's some must-read paperwork you don't want to skip. First, review the covenants, conditions, and restrictions, or CC&Rs. These tell you what you can and can't do, like rentals, pets, parking, fencing, or exterior changes. Next, look at the HOA budget and financials. You want to see if the association is well-funded or if special assessments could be coming. Don't skip the meeting minutes. They can reveal ongoing issues, upcoming projects, or disputes you should know about. Also check the rules and regulations and make sure you understand the HOA fees and what they cover. Bottom line, HOA documents tell you what you're really buying into, not just the home, but the community rules and finances too. Have questions about HOA documents? Drop them in the comments. It's way better to ask before closing.
Good morning and welcome to this week's Century 21 ProLink update. This is JRB here with Property Pros Group. In November of 2024, the Sioux City School District voted to spend over $6 million in grant monies on 15 new electric school buses. 9 of those buses are going to hit the streets this week. These electric buses cost over twice that of a standard diesel bus. However, the district expects to save 7 times the amount of money in the long run because the cost of electricity is less than diesel fuel and the maintenance costs are much less as well. The 4th annual Kentucky, that's D-U-C-K-Y, Kentucky Derby races are scheduled for February 20th this week. The Food Bank of Siouxland is selling ducks for $10, and if yours crosses the finish line first at the YMCA pool, you could win 2 tickets to the actual Kentucky Derby and a $500 travel credit, all sponsored by the Hard Rock. Each duck provides 50 meals to those in Siouxland. You can find out more information on their website. Tune in next week for your weekly Century 21 ProLink. Trusted, connected, relentless.
Hey Siouxland, your C21 community update is here, and this week's lineup is packed with fun. First up, Thursday and Friday, February 20th and 21st, the Baumgart's PRCA Rodeo takes over the Tyson Event Center. Think bull riding, barrel racing, and all the rodeo excitement you can handle. Then on Friday, February 21st, it's the Lamar's YMCA Daddy-Daughter Dance. Dads, grab your daughters and a night of dressing up, dancing, and making memories. And if you're looking for a chill night with friends, head on to Lamar's for puzzles, pizza, and pours at Whiskey Creek Banquet Hall. Pizzas, drink, and good times are guaranteed. So what's on your calendar? Are you a team rodeo or a team dance floor? That's your C21 community update. See what's next for more local fun.
Hey everybody, are you wondering where you can go to find open houses in Siouxland? Century 21 ProLink's website has a link for all your open houses. We also have 2 Facebook pages, Century 21 ProLink Siouxland and Century 21 ProLink Lamar's. Every Friday, we post a link to all the local open houses. These aren't just our listings, but all listings within Siouxland for you to have the dates and times to go attend any open house. So be sure to check out our Friday posts and open houses, and we'll see you this weekend.
Thank you for tuning in to our weekly segment. We work hard to be the best.